Step one, I'm gonna clean off all of the nose marks and all the nastiness on the window, and then down here you can see there's a lot. And all this here and the frame of the window. I just want to get all this clean because I don't want to soak the Bondo or the new painted sill in glass cleaner. So I'm just going to clean all this to start. Next step, I'm going to grab a paint scraper and get all of the loose paint off of this. I'm going to continue Coda's job. It's probably going to be a lot that comes off. I don't want to go too crazy here, although I'm going to sand this all, but I want to be careful around this edge. This side's not in bad shape, but we're going to have to rough that up a little bit. That'll be the next step. Now I'm going to cut out some of this old caulking. So we're going to put some new in there. There we go. And in this corner right here, I never liked how they made these replacement windows with this little tab right here. It's just like from the factory. So I'm gonna chisel that off, make that flat, so when I caulk this in, it looks nicer. I'm just gonna take a small chisel, carefully make that flat. There we go. And I'll get out any of this caulking that I can all along the edge of the window here. Good, good. Some right here. And this caulking. Get this little tab out of here too. Now I have a nice square corner. I could probably try and scrape some of this paint and caulking off of here. Kind of like that. I'm not gonna go too crazy with that, but I'll do a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna take some 80 grit sandpaper and I just wanna rough this surface up, mostly where all the paint is. And wherever I want to use the Bondo. I think I'm going to skim this entire thing because there are little checks in here, little divots. Like this right here is a scrape. So that's an indentation. So that's probably just going to do this entire sill. So I'll take my 80 grit. I just want to try and rough it up so that the Bondo will stick better. This will take a lot of the other paint off that I missed with the scraper. Be careful on the edge here.